60 years, deep in the North Sea. My story begins. A story of powering forward. 1964, first licence granted. From here, we pioneered. Deep waters explored, reservoirs revealed. A string of firsts followed. First offshore drill rig, first to strike gas at West Seoul, shaping history. With a pipeline connecting seabed to British home turf, I was part of a new dawn for secure energy, helping keep lights on and houses warm. Safety at the heart. Working shoulder to shoulder, seeing engineers become pioneers, scientists turn into innovators, and teams turn changemakers. Their home miles from home, together making progress. But with the highs came heartbreaking lows. Those lost, never forgotten. Lessons learned. But with a team behind me, I rebuilt. 1970, a year of discovery and engineering feats, the bar was raised. With towering steel giants towed to the darkest of depths, the 40s oil field was born. A jewel in the crown. At the push of a golden button, oil's future was underway. In the years that followed, I welcomed new friends. Fields named ETAP, Andrew and more. A growing community on the waves. Technology spurring us on. I cast my eyes west of Shetland to a new frontier, Schiehallion, Loyal and Clare. I look back at leaps forward, but I'm not slowing down. Nay, there's more work to be done yet. I'm still enduring, still evolving, still where it all began, where what's been built is refurbished, where roots laid are repurposed, helping to secure energy needed today and tomorrow, and fueling growth for the ones I work with, as I've always done, lighting paths from one generation to the next, from a father to a son, a father to a daughter, inspiring careers and ambitions that will progress as I do. I'm not just open to change, I welcome it. Across Britain, where I built my legacy, my work helping provide today's energy continues. Looking to tomorrow, for cities, towns, villages, and the people who live there. Helping build new skills that could build new industries, helping communities forge new ground, working with those who seek to improve. I'm no relic, not when there's new ground to break. With my old friend Aberdeen, the city forever the centre of my story, I'm proud to still be part of theirs today. As hydrogen ambitions are conceived and winds of change are arriving, as my journey continues, I play my part in this ever-changing story. And though some might say 60 years old, I say 60 years young.